Hey everybody, Nate here again with Stellar Blue Technologies. In our first video, we talked about how each ad set will need to have at least one ad created in order to serve impressions on Facebook. You can create multiple ads for each ad set to differentiate ad types, creative, or copy if you'd like. In today's video, I'm going to walk quickly through how to set up an ad, highlight the different types of ads on Facebook, and give you a few tips that we found along the way. So first, let's walk through the ad creation section here. This section here, similar to the previous sections, you have an area where you can name or rename your ads in the top section. And again, following the naming convention that you decided on in your ad sets can be helpful for quick reference when you're looking at the reporting dashboard back over here. Just quickly on the identity, just make sure that your business page and your Instagram account are selected here. If you're running ads for another business, feel free to make sure that their business information is in here. The ad setup section is where we're actually going to start building out the ad. So here I can select whether I want to create a new ad, if I want to use an existing post, or if I was creating an ad in the Facebook Creative Hub, I can bring that over into this ad set here. Again, depending on the objective of the campaign that you selected, you will have the different ad formats that you can choose from. Most ads that you're seeing on Facebook right now are likely using either the single image or the video option, but you can create a carousel option, and these options are right down here. And the carousel option is really, just using multiple images to highlight multiple products or services that you guys provide. Again, we're going to take a closer look at some of those ad types here shortly. Selecting the image and or the video that you'd like to use in the ad is the next step, and that comes in the ad creative section. For the single image or video ad example like we've got here, you're going to be given one option. So you can see I've selected my media here in the preview. In the carousel ad, there are going to be several other options that you can fill out, and I will show you that real quick. So right down here, you can see that there are 1, 2, 3 different sections to fill out when building out a carousel ad. All right, the next sections we're going to go through here are we can go through fairly quickly. It's really just adding the text to the ad itself. So primary text is going to be the text area above the image. The headline is going to be the bolded area down below the image, and the description is actually only available on a few of the opportunities or the placements here. And we really don't spend a whole lot of time here because it's optional. Again, looking at the destination, you can decide whether you want to take them to your website, get them to a Facebook event that you're holding, or just have them give you guys a phone call right away. Website URL. This is the area where we are going to put the actual link that we want our ad to go to. So whether it's a different landing page or what have you. This is also an area where you can add your Google Analytics tagging to keep good analytic numbers in your reports. I would recommend in this section here, the display link, I would recommend using the domain for your home page, and this is going to be the section that shows right above the headline, just below the image. And then we're going to move into the call to action. So in this section, really what you want to do is you want to select the call to action that most closely matches the overall objective of the campaign. Contact us and learn more are probably the most common for the campaigns that we run, but you can see that there are quite a few different opportunities here that you can utilize. All right, finally, tracking section. Here, just make sure that your Facebook pixel is selected. That way Facebook can optimize your campaigns to your desired objective. All right, guys, if you have any other questions about how to create an ad on Facebook, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Contact us directly at stellarbluetechnologies.com. We hope you have a good day. Thanks, guys.